Hi YouTube, today we're going to have a look at a set of headphones from Sony. Okay, so as you can see, we do have a box product here, but also we have another pair of headphones, exactly the same model. This is the MDR-V150 from Sony. Now these black ones here, I've had for 15 years or so. They have done me well, but the only problem with them at the moment is the actual ear cups, the padding is really starting to disintegrate and fall apart. As you can see, it's all cracked and split, and it is giving me lots of black bits. Now you can buy replacement ear pads from Amazon, but due to the current COVID-19 coronavirus problems, even though they're on Prime, I can't get them for at least a week. So when I went to my local supermarket to get my essential shopping, I just popped into the electronics department and they had exactly the same make and model in white. So what we're going to do is we're going to have a quick look at the white ones. There's no way of me really showing you how good they are. Obviously you just got to take my word for it. So these are listed as monitor headphones. I remember when I bought the black pair, they were advertised as DJ headphones because the ear cups do actually twist back on themselves, so you can just monitor the one side for mixing, I guess. But I use these for general purpose, so we'll just open up the box and we'll just have a look at the white ones. Just have a look at the specs on the back. There is a 2 meter cord on these, translated into imperial, that is 78 inches. And it does come with an adapter to convert the plug from 3.5 millimeters to 1/4 inch or 6.5 millimeters. Okay, so just get rid of the packaging. Okay, so the cord is tied up. It's a nice soft cord. There we can see the actual converter there. Take that off, and then we're down to the standard 3.5 millimeter or 1/8 of an inch. Just take this box off here. So yeah, these headphones, I do recommend them. They're not the greatest. They are low priced, so I would class them as a budget headphone. There is no padding on the actual headband itself, but the plastic is softish. As I've said, with the black ones, I have had these for 15 years. They've been thrown into the back of backpacks and so on and so forth, and they haven't physically fell apart or got broken or damaged. Now, having a look at the ear cups on here, it does seem to be more of a soft faux leather. The other ones were a bit more of a, I'm not sure how you describe it, more of a crumple design. These are more flat and smooth, and the padding does feel a little bit more substantial than the original. So maybe the current model is a bit of an update from the original. Sound wise, they're great. They do boost the lower frequencies, the bass. So if you do have an EQ on your iPod or MP3 player, whatever you use these on, my advice is to just run the audio out flat. Don't put any EQ on. Definitely don't boost the bass, because these will do it for you. It's not overpowering bass, but it's enough for it to make it a bit more prominent in the mix. So I mean, there's not much more I can say about these headphones apart from I definitely recommend them. I've used these for 15 years. And I am going to get some replacement ear cups for these eventually, and carry on to use these for out and about, and I'll use the white ones for at home. So if these ones do get damaged out and about, then it's no major loss, because you know they've served me 15 years. So if you do wish to purchase any of these headphones here, I'll list all the colours I can find. There'll be a link in the description below where you can get them from Amazon if you do wish to buy them. And that's pretty much it. So as usual, thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to comment, like, subscribe and share this video with everyone you know. But before we go, I've got a little bit of a bonus clip. The replacement pads have just turned up. They've come in a nice little zip-lock seal bag. So I'll just open them up and take them out. And as you can see, these are more of the leatherette style that are now on the current model instead of the old softer version. So I believe these just pull off and the new ones just slot back in to the groove all the way around there. I have seen somebody else's video on this and it does look extremely fiddly to do. So I'll attempt to do one and see how it goes. Okay, so what we need to do is just try and get this fed all the way around into the lip. There we go, all done. Slightly fiddly, but there's the new one, and obviously there's the old one all cracked and split. So there we go, that's your bonus clip. Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to comment, like, subscribe and share this video with everyone you know.